If you need to create a clean floor plan quickly, Lucidchart is one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you how to use Lucidchart for a floor plan step by step so you can build a layout, place rooms and furniture, and customize everything to look professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the plus new button to start a fresh project. From here, you can choose blank document if you want to build your floor plan from scratch, or you can create from a template if you want to save time. If you're just getting started, using a template can make the process a lot easier because it gives you a ready-made structure to work with. Next, if you want a faster starting point, search for floor plan in the template gallery. Lucidchart usually has templates that are designed for room layouts, office plans, and home planning. Select the template that best fits your project, then click Use Template. This will open the template in the editor, and now you can begin modifying it to match your exact space. Now it's time to add floor plan shapes. On the left side of the editor, open the Shapes panel. If floor plan shapes are available, enable the floor plans library so you can access walls, doors, windows, furniture, and other layout elements. This is one of the most important parts of the process because these shapes help you build a realistic and accurate plan. You can drag and drop each item directly onto the canvas. Start by placing walls or room outlines, then add doors and windows where they belong. After that, bring in furniture and other important objects like desks, chairs, beds, tables, or appliances, depending on the type of floor plan you're making. The goal here is to build the structure first and then fill in the details. Once your basic layout is in place, you can begin editing the layout. Click and drag items to move them around. Resize rooms or wall sections so they match your space more accurately. If something feels too crowded or doesn't line up correctly, you can always adjust it until the design looks right. This is where Lucidchart really helps because it makes it easy to refine everything visually without needing complicated design software. You can also double-click on text areas to add room names. For example, you might label areas like kitchen, bedroom, office, lobby, or conference room. Labels make the floor plan much easier to understand, especially if you're sharing it with clients, teammates, or family members. If you're creating a more detailed layout, you can add measurements or notes as well. After that, it's time to customize the plan. Use the top toolbar to change colors and styles so your floor plan looks more polished and organized. You can adjust line thickness, fill colors, text formatting, and object appearance. If you want a cleaner design, keep the colors simple and consistent. If you want to highlight different spaces, use different shades to separate rooms or sections. You should also adjust the size and position of objects so everything stays balanced. Lucidchart's alignment tools are very helpful here because they let you line things up neatly and keep the whole layout looking professional. If you're working with a larger floor plan, these tools can save you a lot of time and help prevent the design from looking messy. As you finish, take a moment to review the entire floor plan. Check that all rooms, doors, windows, and furniture are in the correct place. Make any final changes, then save your work or export it if you need to share it. And that's really all there is to it. Now you know how to use Lucidchart for a floor plan, from creating a new document to adding shapes, editing the layout, and customizing the final design. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know what software tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.